up YouTube? Back here at Laguna again with the guys.
Boys. Hey.
And yeah, we're going to Laguna that I usually don't go to. It's like not really part of the beaches that I go to, but it's been a while I go here. But yeah, we're gonna check that out. It's right by the Kobe mural, and like that's really
Morning, huh? It's so weird.
Yeah.
Daytime.
No, that like that.
no, we
one
never
time-
come here on sunset at all. Like
only
always.
sunrise one time that day with you.
Yeah. Oh yeah, when we're remember we were doing photos that time. Oh my god. But yeah, we're gonna check it out, and yeah, here's some B-roll right now.
Hey, who hurt you?
Alright.
Who hurt him?
And I feel sad just looking at Nolan, bro.
What's wrong? Like, what's going on? Dude, it's so dark. It's so dark on that side.
Yeah, it is honestly. I think that's the one that Nolan was talking about. Oh, there's more.
What the hell? Ooh, damn, that shadow too. Dude, he's like hella low to the ground. Dude, that's like Orange County vibes right there.
He's high up there.
Dude, that's high. No, he's actually pretty low, honestly. Usually they get higher.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Adrian, do you think something?
Boom, 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 boom. Dude, I'm gonna get that video and just post it on the video.
I'm gonna send you that.
Yeah, please. People don't know that shit. People be like, God damn, these are just crackheads, like honestly. So we're at Crest Street right now, and it's starting to becoming high tide, but I'm just trying to be safe and just stay dry right here. But I'm going to walk over to Nolan because this guy's contemplating about life and shit, and he's out here just chilling. Ooh, so there you are. So you're right here. It's dry? Is it dry out here? Yeah. Okay, cool. Ooh, goddamn. And then with the setting one down, just tap.
Whatever to the boys, why they go?
Yeah. If you want to get focused, just tap on the screen. Like, it'll focus, like, if you just tap on it. Yeah.
Let's go. Ready.
I'm gonna get all comfy first.
Oh, he's locked in.
Alright, he's gonna take off. Okay,
It's a Black Panther.
that's it for this video. It was pretty casual, just like very chill vibes, just watching sunset and shit with the boys. But yeah, that's it. That was a good weekend to cap up. And if you're new to this video, hit a like, hit a comment, hit a notification bell for the next video to come out. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. See ya.